I think coaching simultaneously sees the person's capacity, their whatever characteristics they have, it sees all of those characteristics as useful. And it provides a scaffolding for finding solutions that are perfectly tailored to that person's needs because we're asking the people to come up with ideas based on the really good reflective questions that we're asking. When we find a solution together, it is really, really a good match for that person's life, their the way they schedule things, the way they like to do things, because they're coming up with the ideas, and so they already automatically fit into their everyday routines. Secondly, it fosters people's own strengths and it builds their capacity to handle unexpected things that come along. We can't expect things to happen only when we have a therapy session. So we need to give families and people we serve tools, and coaching gives them those tools. I like it because it's structured, and because of the structure, it fosters deep thinking about actual daily life dilemmas, which in my mind should be what OT is doing all the time. And so it really invites us to stay on point about the occupational therapy way of serving others. I also like coaching because it provides a way for people to see the depth and breadth of what OT has to offer. When we use protocols and predetermined ideas, sometimes people can get a very narrow view of OT. But when we use coaching practices, families and adults we serve, they start to think we can solve any problem, so it makes them think we have a broad way to look at things. And we can help tailor that by the way we ask questions. The other thing is that it keeps the focus on the person or the family's authentic life. You can't get very far away from how they actually do things in their everyday life when you're asking them about their life with every question. There's lots of methods in OT, and this is an additional method that has the advantage of being an evidence-based practice, where the evidence is in an interdisciplinary world, and we are bringing it together and applying it in a way that OT would apply it.